Hey guys. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about why the economy is about to surge and why this means it's time for you to start selling your Bitcoins. I know you're going to say, Angry, you're out of your mind, but I want you to hear me out very quickly. Most people invest in Bitcoin using emotions instead of rational thinking, reason, statistics, and facts. Before I dropped the label MGTOW, many people said that I was a prophet. And I always said I'm not a prophet, but I do hope God is speaking through me. Right now, people are panic buying Bitcoin, panic buying cryptocurrency. And the truth is that it's not the best thing to do. In fact, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. Now, I want you to understand something. When it comes to the coronavirus is mostly impacting only China. One of the primary reasons why it's impacting only China mostly is not just because that's where the disease originated from. Oh no, it has more to do with than that. You see, China's ability to basically organize has deteriorated. China is actually responsible. This is what I suspect is very much responsible for the spread of the virus as a result of their poor health policies. It's resulting in people who never even had the virus getting infected because they're basically lumping healthy people together or anyone with even a cough or cold along with people who have this virus. They look for specific symptoms, and if they say, and it doesn't matter if you have the symptoms of the normal flu or the coronavirus, they're just going to toss you in with people who have the coronavirus. So now people who previously didn't have the virus now get the virus. So it becomes like an incubator it becomes like an illness incubator. It's a pretty terrible thing. And this is happening as a result of panic. Of course, the boomers are not using their heads, they're using fear. The same thing is now happening as a result with Bitcoin. I told you guys that Bitcoin would likely drop right around February, well, early or late January. That didn't actually happen. However, well, there was a little drop, but it's more than that. It's absolutely more than that. You see, the only reason why Bitcoin is at like $9,500 right now, it was over 10,000 recently again, is only because of fear. Okay? We have a giant presidential election coming up later this year. Right now, the government's in the process of drumming up the economy. So basically, they're going to begin sprinkling money into the economy in different ways. Main Street. See, Wall Street has been getting their share of the toxic money, but Main Street liquidity has deteriorated significantly. So how do you address that? It's quite simple. You start drumming up money into Main Street. Okay? I've been warning you guys for quite some time about investing in cryptocurrency and understanding how market cycles work and learning how to actually know when it's time to invest and when it's time to sell. A lot of people don't want to take this into consideration. You know, a while back, we actually put out a course called Timing the Cryptocurrency Markets, right? So that instead of losing all your money, you'll know when to buy and when to sell, and you'll understand factors that affect these things. Okay? That course is actually a very extensive course, and it helped a lot of people to avoid, losing all of their funds. We're going to look at, and we're going to look at, I guess I'll show you that course very quickly, but we're going to be looking at the Coinbase charts. For those of you that want to take the course, how to know when it's time to buy and sell. Basically, this course will teach cryptocurrency investors how to time, predict, and make massive profit from the cryptocurrency market. There are various indicators that can tell you if the market will increase or decrease. There are various factors that move the market. Very often people panic sell and lose their entire investment as the market shoots up after falling. Other times people panic buy and lose their entire investments as shortly afterwards, right? So the market sees a major decline. And I'm going to read that again. Other times people panic buy and lose their entire investments as shortly afterwards the market sees a major decline. Why does this happen? Because of fear. Guys, this is a course that I put out almost a year ago. And I've warned you guys not to panic buy, not to panic sell. You have to look at the market factors that actually determine whether or not the market's going to go up or down. This course will teach you how to predict the market's behavior using numerous proven methods, statistical, analytical, and psychological, to predict the market's outcome and profit. Okay? With this course, you learn how to time the crypto market and make massive profit, how to know when it's time to buy crypto, how to know when it's time to sell crypto, how to know when it's time to take profit from crypto, spot the key factors that indicate cryptocurrency market behavior, learn how to profit from cryptocurrency market gains and losses, learn how to use resources that will allow you to track the market's behavior and understand the major factors behind crypto trends and how to identify them. Okay? As you can see, this is a very extensive course, Introduction to Timing, Predicting, and Making Massive Profits from the Cryptocurrency Market. You get the key indicators that indicate cryptocurrency market behavior, resources that will allow you to time predict it. Again, guys, you get everything. You get the main factors that are going to cause people to fail at trading and investing, the major influence seasonal holidays have on market gains and losses, how to spot timed investor traps, market manipulation, and use them to profit instead, how to take advantage of cryptocurrency market gains and losses, and the most important thing that influences cryptocurrency market behavior. Guys, it's up to you to learn. Cryptonomy is in the chat. He says, no, it's the economy is about to go bust and Bitcoin is about to surge. Well, yes and no, Cryptonomy. Right now, if you look at market trajectory, so I'm going to show you guys this. This is where things get confusing for a lot of people. We are heading towards a major crash, but you have to understand that there's a calm before the storm. Okay? I'm teaching you guys this, but a lot of people don't want this. And then they turn around and say that they act like you can see the future, when in reality you're looking at, well, I can, but in reality you're looking at market behavior and so forth. Anyway, here's what we have. So if you look at Bitcoin is worth $9,657 right now, but it actually just declined from over 10,000. I want you to look at Ethereum. Look at XRP. XRP is at 27 cents. Last, at its height, it was at over like $3, right, per coin. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV is actually losing market trajectory, and it's actually one of the more dangerous coins for you to invest in. I've said that plenty of times, and I'll say it again. Bitcoin SV is one of the most dangerous coins for you to invest in. And we're actually going to be replacing Bitcoin SV with a much better option that's going to be better than Bitcoin SV, better than Bitcoin Cash, and better than Bitcoin itself. I know you guys are like, what? Yeah, so my team, we're actually working now on putting out a brand new blockchain that's going to replace Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV. And I will tell you guys that red pill coin holders, people who hold any of our cryptocurrency, will actually be able to take part in this and actually gain from it. So if you're holding onto your red pill coins, that's going to be a big thing for you guys, because you're going to directly benefit from this change. A lot of people called red pill coin a scam, which is a joke, because we're making a giant change right now, and we're going to be replacing Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV. In terms of, we're going to focus on actually, so Satoshi Nakamoto is likely dead right now. I just want you to know that. The actual creator of Bitcoin is likely dead. He was likely the partner of Craig Wright, even though there were multiple people that were potentially involved in the development of Bitcoin. The actual person who had access to the private key for the Bitcoin wallet is likely dead. I do know how to gain access to Satoshi's wallet. I know this is going to sound absolutely insane. This is going to sound absolutely insane to many of you, but I am going to gain access to Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoins. I am not the Satoshi Nakamoto, but I am going to be gaining access to his wallet containing those coins. I know you guys think this is absolutely insane for me to say this, but you guys are going to actually witness this happen. and it's really up to you to decide what you want to do from what you don't. But I'm telling you that right now, and I'm also letting you guys know that people who are holding red pill coins are going to end up getting will be getting bitcoins. Okay, so we're actually going. I know you're like, what the heck? We're going to actually release a new blockchain that is going to fix a lot of the issues with the current Bitcoin blockchain. And also we're going to be taking custodianship of Satoshi Nakamoto's coins. Again, I know this sounds absolutely insane to you, like angry. How are you going to be taking control of Satoshi Nakamoto? Ramon Zuniga says, do it, do it. Open the floodgates. John says, okay, we're going to do a wellness check on you now. John Strawmite thinks I'm crazy. We're going to do a wellness check on you right now because I just said that we're going to take control of Satoshi Nakamoto's coins. Sadly, I told you I'm a blockchain developer. I told you I've developed already 2 different cryptocurrencies. All right. Many of you are now think I'm crazy, and then when we get control of the coins, then you guys gonna say you're God. Okay, how about this one, Mike? Not Mike, John. Okay, John? Because this is what you need and this is what you want. When we gain control of Satoshi Nakamoto's coins, you have to acknowledge that we are God. Not just me, we, because God is a collective consciousness. It's a group of, it's more than one person. God is not just one. All right. So because you have so little faith, and okay, he's put off bed again, guys. You think, yeah, because you have so little faith, then how about this? You will acknowledge that we are God when we gain access to those coins. Okay. When we gain access to Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet, when we gain access to the coins in Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet, then you can say that we're God, because so many of you are superstitious. All right? Ramon Zuniga, guys, for those of you that don't know, Ramon Zuniga just joined. Raymond and a bunch of other people have joined our company. So Raymond is an official part of the company. We're talking right now about Raymond being the chief technical officer of the company. This is real. Raymond has an official email address with the company. I'm telling you guys are so foolish. I'm telling you guys, I told you the ARC doors were closed. And there are many of you still mocking us and making fun of us. All right? I told you, Raymond is, we're talking about him being the chief technical officer of the company. You people are mocking me, mocking us and laughing at us, saying that I'm off my meds. Guys, I'm not taking medication anymore because people were saying the meds were making me crazy. Now I'm not taking them, and now you're saying that I'm still crazy. Okay? I don't care. But I do want to say, John Strometis, don't come ask us for a job. Don't come and ask us for help. If you're trying to say that I'm crazy, don't come. I'm being serious. Like, guys, anyone watching this video right now, you literally have nothing to lose, and you're sitting here mocking me. So I want to make this clear. I'm going to put together a list right now. Okay, John, I'm going to put your name on it. Okay, the people who mocked me, guys. We have all these email addresses right now. Guys, we have a president of the company. Okay? We're working on adding some really large YouTubers. Patrons know what's going on right now. For those of you that are patrons, you can head over and you can see what's happening. Guys, Ramon Zuniga is a partner in our company right now. Just like how Facebook got started, Ramon Zuniga is a partner that has actual shares in the company. Okay? Cryptonomy, he's making fun in the chat. He actually has shares in the company. Okay? Raymond and Cryptonomy actually have shares in our company. Okay? All right? They both have executive positions in the company, guys. I feel sorry for most of you watching right now. Raymond says, yes, I do. It's true. It's amazing how you people are mocking me and making fun of me. All right? Please don't come to me. And here's Cryptonomy. Angry. Thanks for my new company email address too, bro. Guys, his company email address is his real name. Raymond's email address is his real name. You guys think this is a game. All right? They all have shares within the company right now. We have an actual company that we file as a corporation. Okay? Red Pill Coin is one of our properties. We have multiple different assets. We're working on partnering right now, and we're also bringing on some larger name YouTubers. We're working to get some larger name YouTubers as partners within the company. Partners, actual partners within the company. So sit here and mock us, make fun of us for all you want. Okay? Guys, please don't cut. Well, listen, because I'm crazy, because we're crazy, okay? Don't listen. Your money won't be listen. Well, listen, because we're crazy, then don't come to us for help. Don't ask us for a job. Don't do any of I'm so serious. Those of you mocking us right now, do not ask us for anything. I forget if I asked David Strong earlier if he, Santa's naughty list. Like David, I don't remember if we added you on guys, I've been so busy. I forgot if I asked David to join the company as well and if he already got his email address. David, if you didn't, I was planning to ask you to join the company as a partner. I forgot if we emailed you already and all of that was taken care of. If it wasn't, hit me up and we'll get you your email address. We'll get you if you want to be a partner in the company. I think I asked David about it already. If you're already not if we didn't already create your email, because we've been working on this all day long. We've been working on this like crazy. We have a larger team and growing. We're set to open our first office soon. Okay, our first office with employees. All right. I'm so guys. I'm telling you right now. T TD, all of these people, Mickey Turner, all of these people that stabbed me in the back and stabbed us in the back, they're gone. Mike says, got to do prayer requests right quick. Catch up with you later, Angry and everyone. Go take care of your prayers, bro. Keep those prayers coming. Please pray for us. Please pray for me. Pray for our company as well. Mike, if you would like, if you want to be a part of her, if you'd like to be a part, you seem like you have something good in your heart. If you'd like to come join us and help us to build our company, send me an email and we'll find a position for you because we're looking for people with skills. One of the people that I just spoke to said that they said that the skills that they had was like proofreading. I don't know if that was David or something. I've been contacting people upon people all day. We're building up this company. Okay. We're going to be adding we're adding a chief legal officer. And you guys will probably be shocked who our chief legal officer actually might end up being. This is not a game. This is not a drill. I told you guys about this terrible economic thing that was coming. All right. And I started working on this years ago. And I was mocked. I was spat upon. My sites were hacked. So many bad things were done to me. And now I know that these things were coming from turd flinging monkey. And I'm going to make a lot of this clear that oh my gosh, we're going to succeed. We're going to succeed. And we're not being petty. We're not going to be petty. But I'm telling you this, that we're going to stand up for ourselves this time. All right. Let me just tell you guys something. Don't forget the saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend. I want you all to remember this. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Don't be surprised when you see what's happening. All right? I'm making that real clear. The prices on our website for the courses is going up. They are going up big time. All right? And listen, you could do what you want. Do what you want, but that's on you. All right. But yeah, guys, don't forget cryptomoney.academy for the courses. But I want to get back to the chart and talk to you more about the chart right here. Looking at this chart, Litecoin, for example, $74. Okay. At its height, Litecoin was over $300 a coin. If we want to actually get a bit more technical, it was at $373.18 on December 18th, 2017. And if you look at this market trajectory, even in February of 2018, it was at $245. If we look at it was at $118 in April of 2018. It actually went as high as $162 in April of 2018. And if we want to look at how it did in the last year, okay, so let's see, year to date, we can see that it started out, so far, it started out the year at December 31st, it was at $41 a coin, okay? Now it's up to $73 a coin. Again, guys, don't sell based on fear. We can know what, and what's the lowest that Litecoin has ever gone? About $30 or 30 something dollars. This actually tells you what the lower peak is and where you can come into the market. So for example, if you invest in one Litecoin, right? If you invest in one Litecoin right now at $74, we know that this coin is likely going to be doubling or tripling again from this point. So it'll easily get back to probably over 140. So you can double your money right there. If you want to take another, here's another thing you can do. You know that it'll go down. You know that it's been the lowest that, all right, look at this, guys. On January 2nd, 2020, one Litecoin was $41, $41.49. That was just last month, all right? $41.67. So just last month, it was at $41. This is a coin with high fluctuation. What that means is that you can get in at a lower price. So for example, let's say you buy in at $50. You buy into Litecoin at $50, right? And let's say you have $1 million, okay? And then you wait for Litecoin to increase again by 3 times. Based on this, guys, you will triple your money. Or check this out, guys. If you wait for Litecoin to take off and go back up, Litecoin, there's only 84 million of them. All right. Doing the math, one Litecoin should not be going for $74 compared to Bitcoin, especially since it's compatible with the Lightning Network. As the technology matures, Litecoin should really go up by about 100 times from that point. So one Litecoin will easily go up to about $4,000. If you invest in Litecoin at $40, all right, over the next year, okay, when the catastrophe as everything's hitting, okay, it's just a natural cycle. I'm explaining this to you. If you invest in Litecoin at $40, all right, and then it goes up by $4,000. That's, guys, that's more than that's well over 100% gain. All right. So guys, think about that carefully. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Okay, guys, you have to use your heads. So if let's say you have $400 to invest, you invest all of it in Litecoin. So you get 10 Litecoins at $400, right? 10 Litecoins at $400. When Litecoin goes up to $400 a coin, right? Let's do the math. That 400 is now worth 4,000. When Litecoin goes up to $4,000 a coin, those Litecoins are now worth $40,000. All right, guys, I'm done with most of you. I'm done teaching. I'm literally only focusing on people who want to learn. I'm done helping others who don't want to be helped. Someone told me that recently, and I'm so real on that. I'm so real. I'm so real. We're gonna have a big sale coming up for you guys, which is gonna let you pick up any course roughly for $299. That's gonna be a weekend sale, and I'll be announcing that shortly. But that's gonna be on CryptoMoney.academy because the prices are all going way up. But I'm just letting you know what's up. Coach Shanghai, whatever happened to groundworks for the metaphysics of MGTOW? Oh my gosh. So we got hacked. And Marcus guys, I hired an attorney to go after Marcus. I hired an attorney to send a cease and desist. They investigated and wanted him taken to court. Everyone thinks this is a game. I will release the emails from our attorney who said that we needed someone like criminal, like more like a criminal defense attorney, because this is guys because Marcus is a criminal. What he did was slander our company and our IC and our attempt at an ICO, because he helped to kill off our coin. It didn't die. It's still alive and well. We kept pushing and pushing and pushing. I invested practically the shirt off my back into Red Pill coin. Raymond says, don't forget about Dash. Well, Raymond, you're a part of the team now, so you'll be able to talk more about these things. Guys, like I said, I'm done with most of you. I'm absolutely done. If you don't want to be with us, if you're just gonna sit in the chat and talk crap, don't ever ask. When times are bad, when everything is scary, that's when you're all throwing shade. All right. But when you all need help, oh, like I've had people come back and apologize. There's no more I'm sorry angry. There's no more please help me angry. Let me put this right here. Coach Shangy says it. He effed up and told Bullets he had his own cryptocurrency business. So what Marcus did was he slandered us. He made false statements. He claimed that he was working for some company that would be launching their own cryptocurrency project, as he slandered our project. He then went on to say that our coin, which was built on the Ethereum network, was something that was child's play and anyone could do it, because when they hire new coders, they have them build on the Ethereum network. Guys, many of the biggest projects right now are built on the Ethereum blockchain. The reason why is because the Ethereum blockchain is large and it's maintained by many different people. To create your own blockchain, it requires quite a bit of resources. The reason why is because a blockchain is still a network. So you have to have a core network. And then as the coin begins to become more popular, people start to run nodes. All right. These are the miners that we talk about. So the miners help to keep the network up and running. All right. And in exchange, they get a piece of the cryptocurrency. We have some big deals coming, y'all. And I'm not going to go after Marcus, but I'm going to tell everybody what he did. I don't plan on taking him to court anymore. I have no time for him. He ran away. But if I ever find out what company, guys, we were going after him individually, but if we find out the company that he was working for, we'll go directly after. We'll basically put it out publicly that he did this, because his videos are out there and everything, and we'll let them know that he slandered us. He did all of this. He put this on, guys. It was literally all over Google. We had to hire we went to an attorney, and they wanted to take Marcus. We needed to hire multiple attorneys to go after this guy. All right, I'm gonna put all of it out there. I'm going to just tell the truth, and I'm going to show everybody what Marcus did. I'm going to put it out there, and I'm going to show everybody what TFM did. Guys, all I have to do to get back at these guys, to deal with these guys, is tell the truth. All right? There's some of y'all listening right now. Y'all think this is a game. I remember you, like AWOL 201. Dude, you're out. You are not. You guys, listen to. I put in so much work. Like, Sam says it was a dark time in 2018. I remember Marcus was when he destroyed Chris Cantu. He was a disgusting, arrogant person. When I confronted him with just basic evidence that Chris was just promoting. Chris got pissed off with me because I didn't want to say much. The reason why I didn't want to say much is because I didn't want to stroke the fire on. Because you give the guys like Marcus, you give them, you basically try to speak to them, and it gives them validity. When Marcus and his cronies and started talking about reporting Chris to the Department for Justice, it was our SEC. That's when I intervened, because Chris started to cry and panic. All right. Then Marcus privately began talking about, I think it was Marcus or others were talking about privately that technically speaking, they don't have enough evidence to actually report us. We did have to probably go through some other department, because they knew it wasn't a scam. All right. We followed all the paperwork with the government. We followed the procedures. We have a damn accounting firm that we paid thousands of dollars for. Okay? No, Marcus is not DDJ. Marcus is groundworks for the metaphysics of MGTOW. Okay? Me and DDJ We talked. We've made up. He told me that most of the things that were happening were TFM doing it in the background. And the great part about that is that I can have DDJ, if DDJ says to, we can have a trial and he can testify in court against TFM and the others who were involved. Remember when I said that I was going to come after MGTOW and take it down? I said, listen to me. I helped start this and I will help destroy it. The label, I still live the philosophy. I'm still a man who's going his own way, just like men are going their own way and women are going their own way. All right. But the toxic crap that MGTOW did to me, I'm going to destroy the whole thing. I'm going to break it into little pieces. I'm going to have law enforcement knocking on doors. I'm going to make MGTOW into a stigma. Okay. It'll be seen as the mark of the beast among many. That's what I'm going to do with MGTOW. For those of you that think you're big and bad and keyboard warriors, like I said, I'm a real man. All right? I don't mess around and I keep my promises. So for those of you that are keyboard warrioring it and thinking that this is easy, guys, we're building a large company right now. We're adding, guys, it's like building a starship. Maybe we'll make our building in the shape of a starship. I'm not messing around, guys. All right? We're going to literally reveal everything. We're gonna put it out there. We'll put it on our company profiles. We're gonna like in theory, we'll put all the emails out there warning this guy too. Anyone who was involved in anyone who was involved in the whole red pill coin thing, like that basically slandered it. We are going to literally put all that information out there, and it can go up in the courts. And we'll show what these men did and what we're tracing them all down. We're tracing them all. Even Sandman was smart enough to watch his mouth. Okay? Even he's like poked here and there. But Marcus, listen to me. Marcus is nothing to deal with. We're going to deal with him by telling the truth. I'm going to put all of it out there. And if he's still working for that company, we're going to confront it. We'll go and listen. We're going to confront it. We'll go to we're going to file a report with the SEC as well to let them know what Marcus did. Okay? TFM. Woo! Like I said, I squared up things with DDJ already. He said that TFM was responsible for everything. All right? And then TFM stabbed him in the back. Now, DDJ is kind of a troll when it comes to filing lawsuits and those kinds of things. That's what this guy he enjoys doing this stuff. Like he enjoys doing this stuff. This guy loves the courthouse. So I don't know if it's going to be a problem to ask him, hey bro, will you sit on a stand and tell them exactly what happened? And do you think that he's going to let himself be incriminated or he's going to implicate TFM? He's going to implicate TFM more than likely. All right? Because he has no loyalty to the guy. So all these things, guys, what do you think I've been doing? All of these keyboard warriors, you're going to be implicated. I'm not playing games with any of you. Just remember this video. All right? MGTOWs, I'm coming for you. I'm being real right now. I'm coming for you. We're coming for you. We are coming for you. All right, guys? I'm letting y'all know what's up right now. Some guy deadly MGTOW, Mickey Turner stuck in Angry's bunghole. Yo, guys, someone, all right, guys, like when you see these people acting up in the chat, you need to block them, get rid of them. Like boom, block. Don't let them come in and disrupt. Don't let them come in and disrupt. Block them. Block, like Sam, I don't know if you have the mod wrench. I'll get that back to you when I get a chance. You see these people in here acting up, acting the fool? It's easy. Just block them. Just block them. I'm being real. Guys, kindness, guys, like I told, guys, MGTOWs, I'm coming for y'all. All right? I'm going to reveal everything. Y'all think this is a game? Kindness, guys, like I told, guys, MGTOW. Everyone thinks this is a game. Let me see if Sam has his wrench. Let me get Sam his wrench back. Let me go ahead and put Sam. Add moderator. There we go. There you go. Sam has his wrench back. Where's David? Where's Dave? David has his wrench. Guys, come on. Just kick these guys out. Kick them out. Sam says, thanks for the offer. Busy with work. Oh, he says, I don't need the wrench. Okay, I'll get rid of it. Sorry about that. Yeah. All right, guys. Like I said, yeah. Guys with the wrench, those of you with the wrench, just get rid of these guys. Just throw them out. These are the people who are guys, these are the faces of people who are going to be homeless and hungry and begging and asking for help, and no one's going to help them. All right? These are mean-spirited, heartless, evil, vindictive people. That's who these MGTOWs are. Okay? You can be a man going your own way, going your own way. All right? A woman going your own way, going your own way. I'm telling you, going, and that could be that's the Lord's way. That's whatever way you choose to go as an individual. Okay? But it's not with a cult. It's not with a group of people. You don't owe anyone anything. I don't owe anyone anything. And like I said, I am going to destroy MGTOW. I'm going to destroy the name. I'm going to shred it into pieces. I'm so serious. Y'all think this is a joke. MGTOW is done. And I'm going to rip it to pieces. And anyone that wants to go down with it can go down with it. Let me make that very, very clear to all of you. All right? Those of you that want to join the company and want to work with us and build something, guys, right now we're giving out shares, actual shares of the company. And yeah, some of y'all are just laughing at me and trying to spit at me in the chat. Guys, we are going to get the last laugh. Last laugh. Okay? There will be no hope. There will be no help from guys. You know what we'll be doing? We'll be handing out food. We'll be out there handing out food. All right. You won't be getting shares, but maybe you'll get a Snickers. Well, we're not gonna be wasting our money on and stuff like that. Give out some healthy food. Healthy food. What we can do. Help the homeless. Because a lot of y'all are gonna be the homeless out there. A lot of you are going to be homeless. Many of you are going to be homeless and hungry. Many of you are going to be starving. There's some of you sitting on large amounts of money right now, and it's all going to disappear. And you're not going to know how it ever disappeared. All right? Because listen to me. Our company, we focus on people, not money. Okay? We trade in people, not money. Okay? Money is nothing to us. We look at the value of people, and we focus on the potential of people and fostering that potential. And we don't listen to me. We don't deal with we don't have any type of segregation or anything in our company. Men and women are treated equally, literally, and they are expected to perform to the best of their abilities. We realize that there are differences, and we accommodate for that. I'm the boss of this fucking company. I want y'all to know that right now. All right? And we're all here working together. So you can laugh at me right now. Ramon Zuniga is a chief technical officer. Y'all think my company is a joke, right? Y'all think this is a game, right? Don't come to me for a job. Those of you laughing right now, making fun, mocking us, don't come to us for a job. You don't know me. Don't say, oh, I know the CEO. No, you don't. Don't say you know Raymond. Oh, I know No, I know the chief technical officer. No, you don't. Y'all are here laughing, the keyboard warriors, all the future homeless keyboard warriors, because your parents won't even be able to subsidize you in their basements anymore. Y'all are headed for homelessness. I'm just being real with you. All right? I'm just putting it out there. I'm letting y'all know what's up. Let's see what you says. Coach says, you have evidence that TFM was the puppet master. What about DDJ? Was he knowingly smearing Red Pill coin or just a stooge? Me and DDJ spoke about it. He told me that TFM was doing all of these things in the background. All right? Me and DDJ squashed the beef like 1 to 2 years ago. It's been like 1 to 2 years since me and DDJ are like something like 1 to 2 years since me and DDJ squashed the beef. Like something like that. Like we squashed the beef a while now. Me and DDJ, guys, DDJ owns like 250,000 Red Pill coins. Okay? Like 250 1,000 red pill coins. You guys are stupid. Some of y'all are stupid. DDJ squashed the beef. Not only that, he was working to help us get to build a relationships with other companies. Yeah, he was working and helping us. How long? Maybe over like the last year or two. We squashed that beef a long time ago, guys. I don't have any problems with DDJ, but he does know some things, and like I said, I'm coming for TFM. I'm coming for Seth. We're going to make sure that this hate movement, that these men, elite, hammerhand, is out there promoting public attacks. We're coming for these men. Okay, I'm gonna put all of these men on blast. I'm just gonna tell the truth. For Mike, the MGTOW monk, has been calling me a snitch. It's not a snitch. It's not a snitch. Y'all are going out there doing bad in society, and you don't want me to, and you think that you can get away with it? All right? Y'all are going out there telling children to commit acts of violence? You think people are going to side with some meth head versus, you know, who's doing these things? All the evidence is right there. It's right there. Okay? These men are, listen to me, they'll wish that they can go to jail. When people get their hands onto these men, when men get their hands onto these men that are telling their children to go out there and do these things, or our parents who've lost children to the incel attacks, y'all are kidding me. All right? Guys, I'm going to put all of you on blast. I'm going to put y'all on blast. Y'all think this is a game. Right now, we are building up this company. And once we have, and guys, listen to me. We're bringing on people of all walks of life. We're bringing on people who Raymond has a background in tech. That's how he got the job. That's how he got the job as the CTO, Chief Technical Officer. If he feels that he'll be in a better position, then we'll get him another position. But that's where he's at right now, Chief Technical Officer of the company. The president of our company is a woman. All right, she's been with us for like 2 or 3 years now. We're getting everything, guys. We have big changes happening, even on Patreon. We're about to remove the $50 tier. All right, and the only tier that people will be able to have access to is the $100 tier. People in the $50 tier will be grandfathered in. All right, the lowest tier on the Patreon is going to be the $100 tier. The $30 tier has already been retired. Guys, y'all think this is a game, and you don't care about men. Guys, I let myself almost fall into, trying to help some of you, I let myself almost fall into destitution. Because, you don't care about men. I gave up so much of my life. And this is what I get from the MGTOWs? Okay. Y'all think this is a game. Not only will I not help you, I will reveal what you guys have been doing. It's going to be very, very easy. Okay? MGTOW is going to be a hate movement. It is already a hate movement, and everyone's going to know it. If you want to go your own way and do your own thing, do just that. But the label is dead. The label is dead. You guys killed it, and I'm just going to put the final nails into the coffin. Listen to me. I'm one of the founders of MGTOW, and I'm going to be one of his executioners. Well, you guys killed it, like I said. I'm just, I didn't kill it. You guys killed it. I never left MGTOW. MGTOW left me. All right? And I'll quote Mickey Turner on that, even though he's no longer welcome around me. Okay? MGTOW left me. I'm telling y'all right now. Those of you saying, oh, you're crazy. Don't ask me. Guys, why do you think I like Cobra Kai so much? Hashtag no mercy. All right? Hashtag, let me put this up right here. No mercy. Okay? Put that on the screen for y'all. Put this up here so y'all can see it. Hashtag no mercy. Y'all gonna be out there begging for mercy. Hashtag no mercy. Okay? There won't be any pleas, angry, any chances, nothing. The ARC doors are closed. I'm not chasing anyone down. I'm not begging to help anyone. All right? I'm just letting you all know how it is. All right? I'm letting y'all know how it is right now so y'all can prepare. Okay? Because there's a lot of gaming going on. A lot of y'all think this is a video game. You think this is a video game. You think that you can do whatever you want. You think people have to help you, like a doctor has to treat you. No, they don't. A lawyer has to help you. No one has to give you food. No one has to sell you anything. You guys are about to learn how hard the world is. Some of y'all think that because you have some money in the bank. Guys, I told you they're going to take all of that money. And what they don't, is going to be worth nothing. You guys are going to be shocked when the government says that all the toxic money is now worth nothing, and that you have a certain amount of time to trade it in, and they're going to put there's going to be like a little a fee to change your money over to the government's digital currency. And when that happens, everybody's going to be rushing to buy crypto. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be taking over. I'm taking over Bitcoin. We are taking over Bitcoin. We're going to be taking over the entire Bitcoin network. Some of y'all think that's a joke. For current red pill coin holders, they are going to end up they are going to end up benefiting, and they're going to get actually going to get cuts. They're going to get a cut of they're going to get actual new coins, Bitcoins, and that's going to come from Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet. Y'all think I'm crazy. The red pill coins, those current red pill coin holders are going to be are going to be able to swap over their coins for Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoins. Okay? Red pill coin holders will be able to swap over their coins for Satoshi Nakamoto's coins. Again, y'all think I'm crazy. Y'all here think I'm crazy. Okay? Wait for it. I'm not helping any of y'all after this. I'm telling you the truth. Sam says, life is a nasty, vicious predator if you don't do it right. Topaz says, ideas can't die, and ideas don't do right or wrong, only people. That's absolutely right. Sam says it's not a game. Nope, it's not, Sam, but they don't care. They don't care. They're keyboard warriors. Don't come to me for help. Don't turn to any of the executives for help. All right? Don't turn to Raymond. Raymond says, I'm a red pill holder. Raymond's a red pill holder. He's also an executive. Chief technical officer in the company. Don't ask him for a job. You won't even be able to talk to him anyway. Y'all aren't even going to be able to talk to him anyway. I'm being real with you. You're not even going to, guys, listen to me. Oh, I know that. You don't know you don't know me. I don't know you. I don't know you. You had a chance to get to know me. You didn't want to. Let's put this right here. Sam says it perfectly. I don't get why people don't see that money is what enables everything else, including talking about men's rights. Coach Shangy says, dude, right now there's a couple of places where people can purchase red pill coin on some better exchanges as well. We've been working still in the background. Okay? So people, guys, it depends on what is red pill coin worth right now. To be very honest with you, because red pill coin is going to be tied to Bitcoin, we don't actually, it could be, listen, one red pill coin can end up being worth anywhere from a penny a coin, which is still a lot, to $1 or even $100 a coin. I'm not lying, guys. I'm not lying to you. One red pill coin will be worth anywhere from a penny to $1 or to $100 a coin. We don't know the amount because people are going to be able to trade. There's going to be a swap, and people will be able to swap their red pill coins for Bitcoin. It's not going to be one. It's not going to be a 1-for-1, or one Bitcoin for one red pill coin. But there's going to be a swap, okay, where you'll get a certain amount of Bitcoin for Bitcoin for that. We're going to be taking, like I said, we're going to be taking over that network. We're going to be fixing the issues with Bitcoin currently. Make your jokes. Laugh at me all you want. Please, who else wants to laugh at me? Because I'm remembering, John, I saw you. Don't come to my company. Singapore, Sam says, Singapore is sick of the US dollar. They aren't saying it openly. Singapore is frontline in petrochemical and shipbuilding industries, as well as container shipping. Thank you. It's not hard, is it? Anyway, guys, like I said, we have a big sale coming on cryptomoney.academy. You'll be able to pick up almost any course for $2.99. That's something that's going to be happening very shortly. Definitely go out, check it out, get it. Tom says, so if a group of people involved in redpill coin commit a crime, does that make everyone associated a criminal? Of course not, dude. People, listen to me. We don't own your red pill coins, okay? The US government owns your money. It's actually a crime to destroy the US dollar. It is not a crime to destroy red pill coin. If you own 10 red pill coins, you can burn them. You can destroy the coins. I bet you didn't know that. Or you can make them unusable forever. I'm telling you the honest to goodness truth. Okay? It's your property. We don't own your coins. We don't own red pill coin. Okay? We don't own the actual. Once you own those coins, we're not selling them. Okay? We don't sell them. Not anymore. Guys, we don't sell them. All right? If you want them, you can get them off an exchange. You can go search the internet for them. You could find a person who has some. People who helped fund the project, from years ago. You'll have to go and talk to these people and get coins from them. Or try to find some on an exchange. And then you'll be able to convert those coins to Bitcoin. I'm telling you the truth. We're going to be releasing our own network, okay? That is designed to take to fix the issues that currently exist with the original Bitcoin network. We're going to be talking about the origin of the coin, everything. We're going to basically, because Satoshi is likely dead, we're going to basically pick up where he left off. And we're going to deal with Craig Wright as well, because Craig Wright is creating some serious problems. Okay? The new coin, it's Bitcoin, but we're not going to use the actual name Bitcoin as a result of the fact that Craig Wright is now trying to sue everyone and anyone using the name, because he's claiming to be Satoshi Nakamoto, when in reality it was likely his partner, who's now dead and took the private key with him to his grave. But it's okay, because we're going to deal with the problem by simply getting access to Satoshi's coins. You heard me right. We're going to get access to Satoshi Nakamoto's coins, okay? And then we're going to fix the issues that currently exist with Bitcoin. Like I said, many of you were against me. Those of you guys, some of you all are like, oh, I'm going to keep my mouth quiet right now. Nope. We'll know who you are. We'll know exactly. All right. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get the hell out of here because I can't stand this crap from you anymore. Love Jesus and peace out. I'm done with you. I'm done with this crap.